Vital Surge Testo Gummies are marketed as a natural supplement to boost testosterone levels, improve prostate health, and enhance male vitality. Sounds promising, right? But not so fast. There are some red flags you need to know about before making a decision. First up, the marketing tactics. They often use fake testimonials, exaggerated claims, and even deepfake videos featuring supposed medical professionals endorsing the product. In this case, they mention a Dr. Barbara O'Neill, whose image and endorsement are being used without her consent or knowledge. That's a huge red flag. Another concern is the unrealistic success rates and unverified scientific claims. The website boasts a 97% success rate and claims the gummies can cure prostatitis 100%. Such absolute statements are highly suspicious. Real medical treatments rarely, if ever, guarantee 100% success. Then there's the website itself. It's filled with grammatical errors and odd details like using comma decimals instead of periods, a sign that the operation may be overseas. They also feature dubious trust signals like fake BBB accreditations and security seals, which are often misused to create a false sense of legitimacy. When you try to purchase the product, you're redirected through multiple websites, making it difficult to trace the actual seller. Scammers commonly use this tactic to avoid detection and make it harder for customers to request refunds or file complaints. Probably, Vital Surge Testo Gummies are a scam. The outlandish claims, fake endorsements, and shady sales tactics all point to a product you should stay far away from. If you're genuinely concerned about testosterone levels or prostate health, consult a licensed medical professional for advice. Stay informed and save your money.